Thank you for choosing the Dannmar DB-70 wheel balancer. In this overview video, we will show you the proper method of unboxing your new balancer. The first step is to remove the crate from the pallet. To do this, use a pry bar or flathead screwdriver to bend the metal tabs along the bottom of the crate to a straight position. Once all tabs are straightened, the crate can be lifted over the balancer and moved out of the way. Next, carefully remove the plastic wrap securing the accessories to the balancer and lay out the parts where easily accessible for setup. The third step is to remove all bolts, securing the machine to the pallet. Now, with the help of a second person, remove the parts box from under the balancer by tilting the machine back, allowing access to the box. The box can then be removed and set aside. With the parts box removed, you can remove the balancer from the pallet by lifting as a team and gently setting the balancer on the ground. Once complete, the pallet can be moved out of the way and the balancer positioned. Congratulations! You're now ready to set up your new wheel balancer. Refer to your owner's manual or your setup video for complete instructions. You can find a downloadable manual at www.dannmar.com. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for the latest setup, how-to, and new product release videos.